Paulson Manufacturing Corporation is a leading provider of high-quality, dependable safety products for industrial workers and first responders. Since 1947, we've helped countless industries, including industrial, electrical, and military, develop PPE that offers optimal protection and longevity for their staff. Our team of experienced personnel utilizes quality manufacturing processes to offer PPE used in high-performance applications. We are geared for research and development, R&D, prototyping, machining, injection molding, coating, and tooling. Our manufacturing and fabrication capabilities can handle virtually any production runs while maintaining safety standards. We apply premium anti-abrasion or anti-fog coatings to extend the service life of the products. Our products are tested and certified according to the latest U.S. and international standards. All phases of production are performed at our facility, which allows us to maintain a rigorous quality control program under ISO 9001. Along with manufacturing reliable safety protective gear, we also manage packaging, labeling, and shipping for hassle-free delivery to customers. We specialize in manufacturing personal protective equipment, PPE, such as face shields, goggles, headgear, and riot shields, among others. Our mission is to provide the benefits of protection and safety to our customers, our business's lifeline. Have any questions about our capabilities? Contact us today. 800-542-2451. www.paulsonmfg.com